Man, what y'all know about that braided salmon? Look at the butter. You already know what it is. Let's get into it. First, I'm dicing down my potatoes. We getting that thing diced and right. Then I'm going to follow up with this broccoli. Get that thing diced, and we are almost there. Get it right. Slice down the salmon, 2 good slices. It's a little thick, but we're going to put it on there. You already know. I should have put oil down, but we made it happen. We got to get that thing braided. Move that thing along. Braid that just right. Put that broccoli on one side, put the broccoli on the other side, dropping down our potatoes. And then we got Yellowstone, man. I like to show way too much, but the seasoning is amazing. So then we follow up with that olive oil, 2 sticks of butter, drop that lemon in, and baby, what y'all know about that braided salmon? This thing right here was straight up a slam dunk. My children loved it. If you like this type of content, like, comment, subscribe, y'all. All right.
Look at this lamb chop. If you like eating at fancy restaurants but want to stay home, tune in because this recipe is a game changer. First, I'm going to start off with compound butter. Then I'm going to end up putting some olive oil over the top of my chops. I drop in my AP with some smoked paprika, garlic, and that slap your mama. And a little bit of onion flakes and some parsley for a good look. Then we just toss it. I get that butter in here. Now mine, to take the gamey taste out, I use bacon fat with my butter. Now I put it on here at a low heat and just let that simmer with that compound butter. This is when normally people would take it off for that medium, but I'm looking for medium well, so we gonna let it cook, and boom, look at that compound butter. And that is why I am her favorite grandson-in-law in Washington. Right there, that bite says it all. Go cook this for someone that you care about. Go cook this for one of y'all loved ones. Get in the comments, let me know what y'all think of the recipe.
What y'all know about these red wine braised short ribs? I ain't never been to Paris, but we got to take a trip today. You already know. First of all, we're going to cut down these potatoes, get them in there boiling real good. Then we got to get our celery, our onion, and our carrot diced. I'm still in Yellowstone. Had to do the smoky bourbon rub on the short ribs. You know, get that on a nice heat. Drop those in. We're trying to get those seared real nice, real good. Drop the rest of those vegetables in with a little bit of tomato paste. A little bit of that red wine, man. All I had was boxed wine. Don't kill the messenger. Then we put a little bit of that chicken broth in there. Had to hit them with the fresh rosemary. Those boiled potatoes are ready to be mashed. A little bit of that Lipton onion with a little bit of milk, just because I want my texture how I want my texture. Don't judge me. I flipped those short ribs at about 60 minutes and did it again. One more again. And look at that. Look at that there, man. We are here in Paris today with our red wine short ribs. If you like this content, like, comment, and subscribe.